1. Regular practice of physical exercises. Physical activity helps control blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. In addition, regular exercise can also help maintain a healthy weight, which is important for preventing type 2 diabetes. 2. Healthy and balanced diet. It is important to have a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and to avoid foods high in sugar and saturated fat. Fiber-rich foods help control blood sugar and also help maintain a healthy weight. 3. Stress reduction. Chronic stress can affect blood sugar and insulin sensitivity. Therefore, it is important to find ways to reduce stress, such as through the practice of relaxation techniques, meditation, or breathing exercises. Don't forget to include these healthy habits in your routine to keep diabetes under control. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue receiving useful content like this, please like and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness information.